Fire TV Cube 3rd Generation, hands-on review and troubleshooting guide. Are you frustrated because your Fire TV Cube is lagging or not connecting? It can be incredibly annoying when your premium device just stops working. Don't worry, you can fix most of these issues yourself at home. After watching this video, your device will be running like new again. If you face any difficulty, please comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fixes. Let's start with the basics. Many problems are caused by simple power or cable issues. First, ensure your HDMI cable is plugged in firmly. Use the original power adapter that came in the box for best results. If it is still glitchy, try a software restart. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then select Restart. For a deeper fix, unplug the power cord from the wall. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the system memory. Next, let's look at your internet connection. Buffering is usually a Wi-Fi problem. Check your signal strength. Go to Settings, then go to Network, and press play on your remote to run a diagnostic. Try forgetting the network and reconnecting. Select your network, press the menu button, and choose Forget this network. Then, log in again. If possible, use the 5 GHz band on your router. It is faster and better for streaming high-quality video. Is your remote not responding? This is a very common issue with the 3rd generation Cube. Always check your batteries first. Even if they are new, they might be low. Replace them with fresh AAA batteries. To repair the remote, hold down the home button for 10 seconds. The light will flash when it is ready to pair. Are your apps crashing? Let's fix individual app performance. Clear the app cache. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then Manage Installed Applications and select Clear Cache. If that does not work, uninstall the app completely. Then download it again from the App Store for a clean install. Keeping your software updated is crucial for fixing bugs and improving speed. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then About, and select Check for Updates to ensure you have the latest version. Is the sound not matching the picture? This can happen with external soundbars. Ensure you are using the HDMI ARC or EARC port on your TV. This ensures the best audio timing. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Your Fire TV Cube should now be working perfectly. Thanks for watching TechVibes. See you in the next one.